Hello everyone, today we'll see how to model this dining chair in Blender. Open the Blender software. Let's create a cube. I am using this as a reference guide for the dimensions. Let's go to front view. I am changing some settings to the viewport according to my preferences. I was adding the general dimensions of a dining chair to our guide cube which I referred from websites. Width is 42 centimeters, depth is 40 centimeters, height is 45 centimeters up to the seating panel. Now place the cube on top of the grid and set the origin of the cube to 3D cursor. Save the file to your respective folder. Now create a new collection for our chair. Let's start with the seating panel. Create a cube. Assign the dimensions as per our reference. Width is 42 centimeters, depth is 40 centimeters and thickness of the panel will be taken as 15 millimeters. Turn on snap option and change it to edge. Now snap the panel to top of our guide cube. Rename the cube. Now create another cube for front legs and assign the dimensions as x 30 mm, y 30 mm and z 43.5 centimeters. And snap to left front corner of the seating panel from the top view. Now add a mirror modifier to the front leg panel and select the mirror object as seat panel. We can hide our guide cube by going to visibility panel and make it display as wire. Go to top view and select the seat panel. Go to edit mode and select the vertices as shown. I'm scaling down to x-axis to make the chair look like taper from front to back. To scale that, click on S and then X in your keyboard, then move the mouse to scale the distance as per your preference. Now duplicate the front leg and snap to back side and adjust the spacing. Then select the top face of back leg in edit mode and extrude it. Now I'm changing the height of the guide cube to 89 centimeters. Again select the back leg and extrude the top face till the top of our guide cube. Now we can turn off our guide cube. Adjust the spacing and alignment of legs as per your style and need. I want to make the chair backrest look like taper, so I'm selecting the top vertices of the back leg and moving it back in y-axis. Now we can add supporting panels to our chair. Create a cube. Thickness will be 15 millimeters in Y. Height will be taken as 50 millimeters. Place it in front side of the chair in between the front legs and adjust the length. The panel will look like this. I'm giving little bit inset for the supporting panel by moving it inside. Now we can duplicate the panel and place in the sides. Add mirror modifier. Again duplicate the panel and place it on the back side of the chair. Now duplicate the side supporting panel, move it down and change the height to 30 millimeters. Repeat the same to back support panel. Let's create backrest for our chair. Duplicate the back support panel and take it to top of backrest and adjust it according to the shape of that backrest. Duplicate it and place it above the seat panel. Now create vertical panels to the backrest. Duplicate one of the horizontal panel and change the thickness to 18 mm. And adjust the height. Then change X value to 25 mm. Add mirror modifier. Duplicate the panel and place it as you like. Adjust the back leg edges and reset the scale parameters to bevel the edges correctly. Now we'll make the seat panel cutting at the back leg part. Select the panel and add edges using Ctrl+R in edit mode. Delete the faces and select edges as shown, and click F to fill the face. I want to adjust backrest panels to change the look little. We can add one more support panel in the front side. Save the scene immediately to avoid software error crash. Now select the back leg, go to edit mode, select the top corner edges and bevel it by clicking Ctrl+B in keyboard to make it look like rounded. Save the file immediately so that you don't lose any of your work. Now I'm duplicating the chair collection to add bevel or chamfer to the edges of all panels. You can add bevel edges using modifier. And also you can add it by selecting all the parts and reset the scale parameters using Ctrl+A. And then go to edit mode, select all the edges using A in keyboard. Deselect unwanted edges by holding Ctrl or Command key. Click on Ctrl+B to bevel the edges and drag the cursor point to get spacing between edges as required, to make the edges look like not completely sharp. We can add bush for the leg base. Adjust the shape. and place it under all the 4 legs. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the chair is ready to use. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.